couple months ago, I bought an Anker Solix C1000 Gen 2. I wanted a simple way to keep it topped up with power without relying entirely on the grid, so I decided to add some solar power to my setup. After a bit of research, I found a solar panel that matched the charging requirements of my power station and placed the order. Now it was time for the hardest part, waiting for delivery. A few days later, delivery day finally arrived. Everything was packed securely and ready to be put to work. The panel arrived in a cardboard box secured in a polystyrene wrap. It did, however, concern me a little that if anything was to fall on the panel during transport, it probably would have broken quite easily. Really, I wasn't sure if this was going to charge the Anker Solix C1000 Gen 2, as it's not an Anker solar panel. So I opted for a cheap panel. It cost about 50 quid off Amazon. It's a 100 watt panel from a company called Dokio. I'll put a link in the description. I also picked up an adapter that fits into the power station from the solar panel. Setting it up was surprisingly simple. I positioned the panel in the garden facing the sun, connected it to the Anker Solix C1000 Gen 2, and within seconds the power station detected incoming solar power. The connectors pushed together, nice and simple. At the moment, the power station lives behind the TV. It powers the Sky TV box, the broadband router, an air fan doing the hot weather, and a few other little bits. With it being a 100 watt panel, it's not massive, I know, but it should help keep the power up a little bit through the day, more so than without it. The power station then also charges during the night on the cheap rate and uses that power during the day. Here is a screen recording a little after setting it up in the garden, so you can see that it is bringing in 63 watts of power at the moment. For what I paid for the panel, I'm actually quite happy with that. It seems pretty good. This screen captures the next day now. It's 10 past 10 in the morning. It's bringing in 78 watts of power. I'm currently using 30 watts of power, charging a few various items. From ordering online to generating power in the garden, the whole process was incredibly straightforward. Solar and portable batteries make a great combination, and this setup gives me energy wherever I need it.